Last week, we introduced our Subaru drift car build, TIRESIDE Tanya. We wheeled her into the garage and began stripping our donor car of all the parts that we needed, like the wide body kit and the roll cage. This week, Tanya loses some weight. We begin ripping out the interior, which actually proves to be pretty hazardous to our health.
It's so gross.
And Tanya starts getting prepped for her facelift.
Poor thing.
I think
With the belt slipping off.
I think it might be broken.
Oh, shit, it broke. Alright.
Look at all those clear balls everywhere.
I think it's like silica. You know, like those silica gel packets?
Why are they everywhere?
I don't know.
Did he have like a container of them and when he wrecked
I'm not sure.
went everywhere? That's nasty.
So far, the motto of this car right now is "Don't ask, don't tell." There's also pills everywhere.
Yeah. That's nasty.
Tanya, you filthy whore.
Who have you been sleeping with? So when it leaks again.
We'll just leave the plugs out, bro. You know the worst thing Subaru ever did was design the rear end of these hatchbacks?
Yes.
No drain plugs?
Well, there's drain plugs, but the whole design sucks.
The tail light seals on every single one of these things leak.
And the screws to get the taillights themselves are f***ing impossible.
And then if you drop,
Yeah, if you drop... Okay, that's the worst part. You drop one of the little nuts, it just falls into nothing. There's just nothing. It's like a tomb. It's a tomb of sheet metal. You can't get in there.
Nice.
Oh, I like that.
I did that in the Escort because it had a little pool in it.
hey, look at that. No more leaks. That's how you professionally fill a leak right there, folks. Or fix a leak. I mean,
You don't want to fill the leak.
no, you don't want to fill a leak. I meant fix. That's so gross. This thing is so disgusting. Oh my god. It's so gross. So much mold. Are you guys using the audio from this?
What?
Are you guys using the audio from this?
I don't know. And there's one more. There's always one more.
It's connected to the...
Yeah, this way. Yeah, that way.
That's one way to get mud flaps off.
Yeah. It didn't really work. I need a normal screwdriver now.
Like a normal person.
Alright, this is pissing me off now. These screws.
Do you guys know what you're gonna do for angle yet?
For what?
Angle.
Probably nothing.
This is really annoying. It's like there's so many random screws.
I don't think I've ever seen somebody struggle with a fender so much in their life.
Well, I'm probably just dumb. I might have got it. Was that one?
Well,
Yeah. I was right. I was just dumb.
hey.
Fun over there?
That was close.
Nice.
Go throw it.
Oh.
Excuse me, I'm just sneaking behind you guys.
Oh shit.
Look at baby.
Look up, baby. You ready? Alright,
That's sick.
where is she? She's hiding.
Look at
Find
that.
her.
More or less like that.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
What's
I
up?
didn't know her.
We got
Can
it
you
all stripped
can you
out
hold up
today.
the other fender so we can get a side-to-side comparison?
No.
Sweet.
That's gonna be cool.
That's interesting.
That was interesting.
I think there's some
Tension in there?
some tension, some stresses.
As long as it doesn't shoot out and hit me. Which obviously is probably gonna happen.
Oh my god.
Oh, so it just sheared off the front bolt.
Yeah, and then I just took the back bolt off. That's where the damage stops. Right there. Sometimes. Ta-da. Look at that. Now just cut all this out and put some tube up there. Yeah.
Next week, Tanya runs for the first time since her accident, and Daryl from DB Custom comes over and starts going to work on her mangled face. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to follow this build or keep up with any of our other videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and make sure to hit that little bell so you get a notification when we post our videos every week.